Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate make with Typeform for LinkedIn lead capture step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Typeform account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Typeform website. Once logged in, navigate to the Workspaces section on your dashboard. Select the workspace where you want to create the lead capture form. Click on the Create Typeform button to start a new project. Choose a template or start from scratch based on your needs. If you're starting from scratch, select Blank Typeform. Begin by adding a title to your form. This title should clearly reflect the purpose of your lead capture. Next, drag and drop the question block onto your workspace. Set the question type to short text for capturing names. Add a prompt such as, "Please enter your full name." Following that, add another question block for email capture. Choose email as the question type. Use the prompt, "Enter your email address." This ensures that you collect valid email addresses. Consider adding a scale or multiple choice question to gather additional information. For example, ask how they found out about you. Once you finish designing your questions, customize the design settings to match your branding. Adjust colors, fonts, and imagery to align with your visual identity. Once satisfied, click on the Connect tab. Now, you will need to integrate LinkedIn for lead capture. Select the option for webhooks or third-party integrations. Find LinkedIn in the list of available integrations. If you don't see it, you may need to explore additional options through automation tools like Zapier. Before setting up the integration, you must authenticate your LinkedIn account. Log into your LinkedIn account in a separate tab. Go to the LinkedIn API section in the developer portal. Create a new application if you haven't done so already. Take note of the client ID and client secret provided. Return to your Typeform integration settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.